Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E2103XC. 40,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, velvet red in color. To be certified pre-owned, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Rear seats recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And very clean, as you can see. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, and dual zone automatic temperature control. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.